Temu. Everywhere I go, any social network I go, even in my Google app, Temu will be there advertising their things. So I decided to buy this electric blender in Temu. I was so skeptical. How is it gonna be? But I realized that if you don't go and try, you will not know how it's gonna be. So I bought it. Biolo Miss. This is the manual. Trying to go through it. The manual is not that it's not like I don't know how to explain it, but it's manual. So this is it. I start bringing them out. The packaging was 100% well. Yeah, it came without no damage. I've already opened it before I say, okay, let me just video this and drop it here, because I know that someone would want to buy Temu product blender, and this is it. I bought two because you can select more product to what you got. So as Nigerian, we always blend our soup ingredients, especially egusi or bono, ache or fo, and they guarantee that this one is a very strong blender for it. So I said, okay, let me pick it. I realized also that this blender is wet and dry blender, so I waste my money buying the extra dry jar. I could have buy only the cup, that is the one that it came with, but I don't mind. Had it been I also saw food processor of it, I will also buy it. Look at it. The stainless steel is well built. It's from Japan. It's Japan product, and while growing up I remember Japan product is always the best. So according to what I'm seeing so far, this blender is not bad, but we have to try it. See, the time I am voicing over this video, I've already used this blender, but I said I'm going to use this blender for like 6 months before I would drop my 5-star review on it. But so far what I'm seeing is not bad. So this is how it came. It's looking so nice, and one thing is that it's not heavy. Yes, I was like, it is sure not fake. It means this one that is not heavy. Are you sure it's not fake? Then I said, okay, let's keep going. This red button that is written pause, it means it's just a button of pause on and off. I did not realize it was for on and off, as in pause for some 3 seconds and on it again. This almost burnt this blender. The other side that they wrote Biomis is where you can just on it and it will silently blow. This place I'm touching now is where you can choose what you want to blend. You can choose juice, you can choose a nut, or you can choose ice. So far this blender is very beautiful. This is the stick. Sometimes when you are blending and you want to force yourself to force what you're blending into the blade, you just use this. This is very nice. Even if it will not even touch the blade, so it won't cut it. The cover, everything came so beautiful. They were so neat, well built. It doesn't have weight. So this is it. The blender, it came out so fine. So here I am going to bring out some other parts of it that came. It came with extra hard blade. Yeah, if you want to blend something that is super tough, like what? Let me say like akparata. I don't know if you know what is akparata. Akparata is another soup thickener we have in Nigeria. If you want to blend it without allowing it to soak, you can also use this extra one to blend it. So what was my take on Temu? I'm going to show you another thing that I bought in Temu. Maybe I'll be showing some things that I got there, because some people are like, is this a good place to buy things? I realized that it's a market. Everybody can sell what they have there. That's my take on this company, Temu of a thing. The things I have bought there so far, they have not disappointed me. They are good. I don't know what this is for, but I will check the manual to know what it is. So this is for extra hard blending. Yeah, when you want to blend something that is super hard, I don't know, this is what you could use to blend it, and that is it. Everything was very nice. It came so nice. I will keep my thoughts on it, but so far it's fine. I'm not going to give my 5-star review, because I will definitely give them 5-star review, but I'll wait. As I said earlier, I used that red button to go and blend my beads without pausing it, and the thing started smelling. I hope it will not spoil. So I will see you in my next video.